Probably the best example of my life before surgery is I was in a 4-day golf tournament in September of last year. And I was in a golf cart, so I was not walking per se. But at the end of that 4-day golf tournament, I could not walk up and down stairs without serious pain. And I basically had to pull myself up with my arms. So I went to see Dr. Bell the beginning of December, and also went through the whole intake process with the hip and knee replacement clinic at Burnaby. And they went through all of the issues describing what the process is going to be like, how to get your house set up properly, what tools do you need to get before the operation to make sure you're going to be in a position of recovering. I'm looking forward to being able to hit the golf ball like I was when I was 55 years of age, 16 years ago, a lot further. I hope to pick up about 50 yards with my golf swing. And also, I also plan to go skiing for the first time in 10 years in December of this year. And there is no way I could have done that without the operation. So it's given me a new lease on life.